You know, it is true what they say. The early bird really does get the worm. And today, we're hitting the road at 4:30 a.m., gassing up this brand new vehicle that we got, this big old beast of a van. We will quite literally be driving in the middle of nowhere. We're in the middle of Pennsylvania, and on top of that, we are at the very top of a mountain. It is so windy and so cold today, so let's get into it. This guy wasn't a huge fan of us filming, but he did allow it, and I really appreciate him for that. Today we're picking up some of the nicest mopeds I have ever seen, and all of these are going to be for sale, so if you see anything that you're interested in, just let me know down in the comments or DM me and we can talk about it.
This here is for sale.
Okay.
That's a 2022 red with probably about, I don't know, 20 miles on it.
Wow. It looks like it has 20 miles on it.
Yeah, this is one of them I kept in my collection, out of my collection, because I had a lot of rare ones.
Yeah.
But this one was only made 1 year.
Okay.
Here's that county.
Yeah, and you said you like this one a lot, huh?
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, that is nice. I have a thing for white bikes. So, yeah, this is... And so with that, we took one last view of this beautiful area, and I put my dad straight to work. And once we were done loading all these bikes in, I just double checked that nothing was going to rub or scrape, and that all the straps were nice and tight. Of course, we had to refuel this beast. This thing is a gas guzzler, and then finish the rest of our 4-hour drive. This was the first time putting in a huge vehicle into my shop, and I gotta say, this thing actually ate this van up. So we began to unload these things and just take a look at our haul. So I'm sure you guys weren't too interested in just picking these bikes up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them all out, and you guys can get a little bit of a closer look on why these guys are so nice. So we're gonna start from I guess your guys' right, my left. So we got a total of 2 FA50s. These are super nice bikes. This one definitely seems to be needing a clean up. But I mean, you guys can see the engine case doesn't have too much scratches or anything like that. These guys are all semi-low miles. This one is definitely one of the worst condition bikes, which says a lot, because this thing is by no means in bad shape. Most of these bikes, it's crazy to even see that the exhaust is hardly rusty at all, and it even has its original dealership sticker. It would have been sold with this. The red is a little faded, but that's not a big deal. But yeah, so that's this one. This is probably one of my favorite color combos for the FA50. I'm a huge fan of black and red ones, but I have 2 or 3 other ones, so this one is definitely going to be listed for sale. All right, this one is probably one of the nicest FA50s I have ever seen. Beautiful bike. Not much to complain about it. So this one has 484 miles on it. Really nice bike. I mean, you guys can see that red shines up beautifully. Hardly any scratches on the transmission case there. Chrome is beautiful. Everything is nice and free and moves really well. And again, just a gorgeous exhaust. The cover's great. This one is missing the sticker. However, this plastic is in perfect shape. Most of the time, these plastic covers are missing, or just the airbox completely is missing. So this one was really nice. Definitely going to be listed for sale. Everything seems to kind of have like brand new tires on it. If not like some original, but still for me, I wouldn't replace them. All right, so I'm not super familiar with the QT50s, but I believe this is the nicer of the 2. Yes, this is the nicer of the 2. This is a shaft-driven bike. Yamaha does that a lot on their bikes, from what I understand. I could be wrong, but as you can see, there's just one big shaft that goes to the back motor or back wheel. I haven't really done much with these at all. I have a couple of them, but never done anything with them. But this guy's in really nice shape. It has 2,494 miles, so not bad at all. And just again, I mean, sure, there's some dirty spots on it, but it is a very, very nice bike. Everything had keys. Some of them even had titles. In New York, we don't need titles. We just need registrations. So that'll be a first for me. I'm interested to see how that goes. This is the probably runner-up of the worst bike in the lot. Another QT50. Really not a bad bike at all either, though. Kind of dirty. The Kickstarter is bent. This one has 1,168 miles. Pretty nice. Definitely going to be for sale. A little bit more rust on the exhaust. And nowhere near as nice as this one, but still a nice bike. Seems like it's fighting me a little bit more. The brake may be applied. And this is going to be the absolute nicest bike of this lot. I have never, ever seen a Honda Express NC50 this clean ever. This is a gorgeous bike. It doesn't even have 1,000 miles on it. I do have a double rear basket rack that I'm going to put on this bike. I'm speechless on this bike. This bike is absolutely gorgeous. Everything's soft. Everything is shiny. It is just definitely looks like somebody cared for this. I love this bike. This is probably going to be the most high-valued bike in the lot, and I'm very happy to bring it home and take a look at it. So yeah, this one will also be for sale. Definitely going to be the most expensive one in the lot, but we kind of need to look everything over and see what everything's value is. Well, not value, I guess maybe condition more than anything else. Make sure everything runs fine. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I had a wonderful trip with my dad, being able to go pick up these. We drove around, I think, 12 hours round trip. These bikes will all be for sale, and if you guys are interested, let me know. We can work out whatever kind of deal you guys want after I'm done taking a look at them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, let me know. I pick up bikes all the time, and if you guys want to see as I pick them up, just let me know. And yeah, ride safe, guys. I can't wait for this spring, and I hope that you guys are ready to ride.